Hello, and welcome to the video. This is Success Coach Said, and if you're on this video, it's because you're on my direct team and you want to learn how you can set up your six-figure stamp club so you can start promoting. So here we go. First, you want to go to your dashboard and click on marketing, and then click on landing pages. And here you'll see that we have 5 landing pages to choose from. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you can choose any landing page that you desire. If you want to know the one that I'm currently using this one right here, video landing page number 3. So just say if you want to choose this one, like I'm using, all you would do is go here where it says target URL. You would copy that, and this is actually your referral link, and this number after the equal sign is your ID number. So this is your ID number. So mine is 333. Yours will be different. So you would just copy that after the target URL. Copy. I already copied it. I'm gonna do it again. Copy it. And what I suggest is go over to Bentley. Now, if you don't know how to do this, send me that target URL that you copied, and I will do it for you. Just let me know what you want after the Bentley. So if you do know how to do the Bentley, you would just go over to Bentley and create a link shortener. So it's going to be something like this. Let me show you. So you'll put that in and hit create, and you will create your Bentley. See, mine is bent.ly/create free six-figure stamp club account. So you can erase that. See, yours would be something different. So you can just erase that, and after the / you can just say this is John Six-Figure Stamp Club. You can put something like that, then you will hit save. Now once you hit save, you would take that link that you created on Bentley and you would copy it. And then once you copy it, you would go back over to your dashboard and you would click on sales letter. You would click sales letter. Then you see where you say enter your website address. You will input your Bentley link. Either you can do Bentley or you can go and purchase you a domain. Go to GoDaddy. I recommend Namecheap, namecheap.com. You get domains for low as $8 for a year. That's why I get mine, but some people use GoDaddy. So if you want to get a domain, you can purchase a domain. But if you just want to get started and you don't want to put out any extra money, just go get you a Bentley link. You input that Bentley link right here. You will click save, and once you save it, you would go down and view your PDF. Now you know you did it correctly if your link populates right here in this blue area. So if your link populates right here in this blue area, you did it correctly. You can view your PDF or you can download it. Now if your link is here and you're ready to get started doing your mailing, all you have to do is just download this PDF. It's gonna download here. Then you just print it out, and this is the 2-page sales letter, the brand new sales letter for Six Figure Stamp Club that you would mail out. So you just mail out this brand new two page sales letter. And how it works, or you can do a postcard. You can just create a postcard and put this link on it. So how it works, when they receive this flyer or your postcard in the mail, they would read it, and if they're interested, they would go here, create their free account. Once they create their free account, you will see them in your back office. Then they would, once they create their free account, once they log in, it will prompt them to select which level they will want to join. Then they would print out the sign up form, which will have your name in number one, your sponsor's name in number step two, and the company at step three. So some people get confused, like how would they know uh, that I'm their sponsor or I'm the one referring them? It's simple. That's what I love about this new system. They made it so simple and so streamlined that, once they receive either this flyer or postcard in the mail, create your free account. They will go here. They will automatically be tied to you. You'll see them in your back office. Then they'll be able to select which level they want to join. Then they can print out the sign up form and mail in their payments. So everything is already done for you, the landing pages and everything. So you don't have to send out a sign up form with your mailings. Just send out your letter or your postcard. And that's about it. But if you have any more questions, just send me a message on Facebook. I did this video because I have so many new team members and they want to know how to get started, how to set up their link, and how they can get started promoting. So if you have to rewind this video and pause it, it's simple, step by step. So you can just rewind the video and pause it. But it's really like a 2 or 3 step system, process, and you'll be all set up and ready to go. But the main thing, remember, if you see your link here, either the Bentley or if you purchase your domain, you did it correct, download it, you can start sending out your mailings and you're good to go. Okay, thanks for taking time to excuse me, to watch this video. My name is Sid, and if you have any questions, just simply send me a Facebook message. Thank you. Bye bye.